Hello, it's Jason with Mountains to Sound Home Inspection. Just walking around the property again today, kind of taking a look at this one. And as I walk around the exterior, always looking for things that can deteriorate your siding in the house. So, got this gorgeous farmhouse, nice, good wood siding. And then we kind of look all the way down here at the bottom. And as you can see, you got all this mulch and everything just picking up right up next to the siding there. That's a perfect place for moisture to sit inside this mulch, soak up into the wood, potentially rotting it away. Also, along with that, it makes a really good hidden spot for things like ants and termites and anything like that to kind of burrow through and get into the house a little bit better. So just a good idea to walk around your house, take a look. Anywhere that you got mulch or dirt or grass right up against the siding, you want to get that pulled 4 to 6 inches away. That way it just keeps your house safe and protected as much as possible. Thank you.